Alright, today we're going to do a video of an Okuma Captain L470. It's new in 2006. It has an Okuma OSP P100 control, 15-inch Kitagawa B215 hydraulic chuck, a tool setter, tailstock, 12-position turret. Also has a Hennig chip conveyor. Start by jogging the axes. That's your Z. Nice and quiet. There's your X. Also nice and quiet. Index your turret. Again, it's a 12-position turret. All the tooling that's mounted to the turret will go with the machine. Tailstock. Machine also has a tool setter. See, that functions as it should. Run the spindle. That's 250. That's 500. That's 750. That's 900. Spindle's very quiet. That's 1,000 RPM. This machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.